Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Behind the scenes here at Blackout Tinting, LATROBE. We'll start with the Z06 to my right that's on the lift. What a gorgeous car. The interior of this one's really cool. It's got orange and carbon fiber accents all over it. The owner of this, his name is Steve, he drove this from Bowling Green from a factory delivery last week. So it has basically just delivery miles and then the drive from Bowling Green to here. He had it all protected with tape and plastic and everything before he got here. So he's our kind of person. We're doing a full wrap, PPF 10 mil, ceramic coating, window tint on this thing. So it's basically everything that we're getting. And then beside that, this is a Navigator getting a full wrap top to bottom with PPF and a ceramic coating and window tint on the fronts. To my right is another Z06 that previously got a full wrap coating and tint. The owner of this car is somebody that we've done a lot of work for. He said that the coating's not performing the way that he expected it to. So as always, we always stand behind our warranty, get it in here, we'll clean it up, see what's going on. Maybe it's faulty product, maybe we screwed up. If that's the case, we'll fix it. And maybe it just needs decontaminated, which is a lot of times what happens with a coating. We just need to do a really, really good, thorough wash and it kind of comes back to life. We have a Dodge Challenger that we tinted yesterday. It's just ready to go home. Beside that, the new Jaguar F-Type. It's the first one of this body style that we had in. This one got coating, which is done, and we need to tint the windows, and this will be leaving at the end of the week. And the C8 from Shop with a Cop, we're still awaiting the link from Shop with a Cop to show you guys where you can buy the tickets to win this car. I think they're hoping to give this away right around Christmas time. So if you've ever dreamed of a C8, now's your chance. I think the tickets are gonna be $100, but we don't have that link yet. Zach's currently polishing a Z71 Colorado. This is getting correction, and is this getting coated as well? And a coating. Then we've got a Toyota Tacoma in the tint bay. Terrell and Bryant are working on this one, doing full windshield and front windows in a clear film to block lots of heat. Oh, the entire truck, not just the front, sorry. Outside, we have another Jaguar F-Type. Not in yet for work, but longtime friend has brought it in to get it quoted for coating and maybe PPF. And beside that is an S5. If you guys remember JM that worked for us in our prep department, he moved on to insurance sales and he got an S5, brought that back in for us to tint some windows. And over here is the Raptor R you guys have seen for a couple weeks now. I got a full wrap, ceramic coating and window tint. We are just waiting to get that one picked up. That's it for what's happening in LATROBE. We've got a lot of people on vacation. Aaron's out, Jimmy's out, we got some managers gone, but next week, we're back in full force. Let's see what's happening in North Pittsburgh and Miami.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. In the back, we have a C7 Z06 in for some miscellaneous paint protection film, including most of the carbon fiber accent pieces, the roof, the side skirts, and the front splitter. Next up, a bit of a unique job this week. We have a Yamaha motorcycle getting some paint protection film. As you can see, we did some disassembly on the back here to get full coverage on the entire tank. The back piece is where your legs may hit as you get on or off the bike, and on the front fender up here. Up on the lift is a very cool vehicle from our friends at Audi Porsche Swickley. This is a 2025 Porsche GT3 RS with a full vinyl wrap job. This is a custom vinyl job done from Porsche, so we did not do the vinyl on this, but it is in the shop now for a full 8mm paint protection film wrap. In the wash bay here, we got Jason doing an annual checkup on the Chevy Silverado. This got a 4-year ceramic coating 2 years ago, and it's back in for a maintenance checkup. Next in line for some paint protection film, we got 2 Chevy Silverados. These are in for what we know around here as IBS packages. The IBS package is essentially a work truck package. It's a partial front clip, wear and tear kit, and then PPF on the perimeter of the upper bed sides. So each of these 2 Chevys are in for an IBS package. In the tint bay, we got Cole working on a 19 Honda Civic here. This is getting our Prime XR 20% tint on the side windows and the back window. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Audi A6. We did tint the windows on this vehicle earlier in the week, and it's now getting a full body paint correction and a 4-year ceramic coating. Next up, we have a completed warranty job here for this Audi S6. This was involved in an accident, and the front bumper needed re-PPF'd and re-ceramic coated. Next in line for a ceramic coating is this Lexus RCF. The customer did buy the vehicle with a full body paint protection film wrap, so all we are doing this week is a ceramic coating and windshield protection. Up front, we have a completed job here. This is a brand new Ford Maverick. We've done some PPF with this vehicle in the past, including the full front clip and a wear and tear kit. It's back in the shop now for the bed sides. We took off some rocker pieces we previously did on the lower bed sides here and put full bed sides on both sides of the truck. Outside is our newest delivery from Audi Porsche Swickley. This one, a SQ7. This is in for our track package paint protection film. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. See what we got going on today.
In the PPF bay, we have this Model Y. Came in for a full body paint protection film, ceramic coating, and ceramic plus window tint all around. Here we have a Model S Plaid, tint for a full body stealth paint protection conversion and full ceramic tint all around, including the windshield. Today we're back at the Tesla Service Center in Doral. We're tinting 3 more Model S loaners. We're currently going to be tinting all of the loaners in this location and multiple locations so that the customers can experience what the XR Plus window tint that is offered through the Tesla app feels like while they're using the loaners.
Check in with us next week, see what we got going on.
As always, thank you very much to our faithful watchers of What's in the Shop. We've been doing this for years, and we're going to keep doing it because we like to show you what's happening here at Blackout. We will see you next Wednesday.